Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Robinhood account. Actually, Robinhood account doesn't allow you to delete their account. You only can do is you can deactivate their account or close your account. So here I'm on the robinhood.com, the official website, where they are actually instructing us that how we can close an individual account. So you have to follow these steps that they have just shown us or guided us. So here, to close your individual investing account, close all your positions and confirm you have no pending deposits, have no upcoming dividends, cash sweep payments or stock limit lending payments must wait until these are paid before you can close your account. So you have to complete all this payment before closing your account. So are no longer enrolled stock lending or brokerage cash sweep programs, have no skipped or outstanding roundup orders. So if you have meet all these conditions, then you are good to go to follow the second step. Now select account on your person icon, and in the app go to menu on the three bars, then select settings, select deactivate account, then select the account you'd like to close, then follow the on-screen instruction to close out anything outstanding. Now confirm you have a $0 balance and then confirm the deactivation request. So you have to wait until this request accepted by a representative of Robinhood. Then when they actually accept your request, it can take to up to 24 to 48 hours. They can notify you through your email address or in-app notification. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.